cousins, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review and show and tell on this unit that I'm rocking from a company that is new to my channel, which is Ashimaryhair. OMG, this hair came packaged so beautifully. I love the Tiffany blue detail that they have with their packaging. They gave me so many gifts. They gave me a bonnet, a robe, all kind of hair accessories. The presentation was executed so well. Not to mention, Ashimaryhair is very affordable for the quality hair that you get. So if you guys are interested in checking them out, of course I will have a direct link to their website as well as a direct link to this unit that I'm rocking. With all that being said, stay tuned and my makeup looks a little bit crazy. That's because it's incomplete. But let's hop into this unit. I'm excited, y'all. Ashimaryhair, this is my first time working with them. They did not come to play. This is their water wave texture. Let's get in on it. This is how it looks straight out the package. I'm going to do a straight out the package install, but I am going to wet it down and everything so you guys can see how it looks once you manipulate the curl pattern. The inside of the cap construction is the star, and I do mean a star to show, but the texture is too, because I love this texture. This is their 360 snug fit transparent lace frontal, and the knots are pre-bleached, and it does come pre-cut. And the star of the show is the INVISI-STRAPs, y'all. It's like a lace frontal wig with drawstring straps, which can further help you wear your unit glueless. I think I'm going to spray it down just because I'm going to do an updo with it. But y'all, it also comes with the adjustable elastic band that is removable. And the back comb is removable, which I love, just in case you want to glue it down, because like I said, it is a 360, which means there's lace all around the perimeter of this unit. I'm going to pop the comb back in. I just think this is like genius, because I think I'm gonna use the back comb, but I'm not gonna use any other. I'm excited, y'all. Let's get this wig on and see what she does. So I'm letting it do a little second melt. I use a mousse and a little bit more spray. Now I want to get into these curls. Let me show you guys how the parting looks. The parting looks so good. Like, keep in mind it's going from here all the way to here. I think it's like 7 inches of parting space. Let me slide on back so you can see the texture. This is 22 inches. I think this is like the perfect length. It's not too long, not too short. If you were to straighten it, it will come down pretty far. So I'm going to get into this curly hair routine like really quick and straight to the point. this is how it looks now that I did my little 1-2. All I did was use water in this Aussie conditioner, which I will link. It's already linked in my Amazon storefront, so you can check it out there. That's how it looks in the back. Of course, I might diffuse it a little bit. I'm gonna let it air dry a little bit, and then I'll probably diffuse it a little bit because we ain't got all day today. Okay, we don't. Cause I'm ready to get into some styling with this wig, but the texture of this Water Wave 360 wig is gorgeous. I definitely still see that cast, so we're gonna have to get the hairline together. I'm about 80% air dry, so I'm gonna do some ratchet diffusing with this blow dryer. Don't judge me.
Stayed in the LAS, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you.
Okay, come through. 360. She eating. 100% air dry.
If you can tell your friends about it. About it. Tell them about it. What you know, what you see, about it. You thought you was a nigga fucking bitches. Now you wishing you was with me living life.